If you're looking for some lower back pain relief, then that's a device which you really want to look into. Yeah, this 4-in-1 electric lumbar support pillow, which I got from the seller to show you, is an absolute awesome thing. And it's really solid built, even though it's really soft, you can see. But there's massive cushion here inside. Everything really high quality. We can see that here, super soft here. Comes in with this belt, which you can wrap around to secure it in your lower back, or you just lay on it, or you put it in the back of your office seat, car seat, or when watching TV. So many functions, and it's super easy to use. We can charge it easily with USB-C here from the side. USB-C cable is already included, and it charges also from advanced USB-C PD. So we can already see that it's a very modern device. Charge is a whopping 5000 milliamps. We can just pull when it's fully charged and then use it independently wherever you want to use it. And then we have basically two functions. We have the automatic mode. We long press here and then it's cycling through the different modes. And so we can see this super strong near infrared light emitted in 660 nanometers and 880 nanometers, exactly what we want. And it's really powerful. You can see that here, absolutely amazing. And then starts vibrating while still having the near infrared light on. So it's combining these functions here. Really nice massage while still having the heat and the infrared light, cycling automatically through these functions here for 30 minutes and then turning off automatically, or you can stop it manually with long pressing, or you can use the manual mode where you have access to the 4 different modes. Here the vibration, and when I push it down, probably you can even hear that really strong vibration. When I push again, goes into this inflation mode where it's inflating a whopping 4 inches. You can see that here, absolutely amazing how much it's inflating. And what I also like is that it's still very quiet. After a while, it's then automatically deflating again and then starts inflating again. And when we push, we have access to the near infrared light only. When you push again, starts vibrating again. And so with a long press, we can also turn it off again. Absolutely amazing, and everything feels super solid. Also the buttons here, charging port, everything really super solid built, and can even be stored in a small place because it can be folded and then it doesn't require a lot of space. You can see that here. Yeah, I think an amazing thing. Of course, this is not an overnight miracle or so. Such treatments require a lot of time and there's no guaranteed success. But I'm using near infrared light since long time. And I already had some really nice success with it. And this device definitely one of the better choices, I would say. This thing is so nicely built, so easy to use. And what's really important here, whenever you buy something like that, make sure that you buy something with a large built-in battery, exactly like this one here. And so if you're interested right away in this device, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this 4-in-1 electric lumbar support pillow, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.